Good day, this is Jim Kaufman, Senior Technical Marketing Engineer, and today we'll be looking at some exciting new features to the Taegis portal, which will enhance your ability to review and act on alerts. On the main triage dashboard, we have rearranged some of the panels to provide greater visibility into the alerts panel. Rather than only displaying the critical alerts, the Alerts panel now allows you to specify which of the 5 levels of severity to display. These changes will then automatically be reflected in the Alerts by Detector and Top Concerns panels. We also introduced a new Alerts page that allows us to use multiple filters to customize the view to fit your needs. These filters include severity level, alert title, the detector that generated the alert, user, host, or domain name, and the source and destination IP address. You can choose from multiple columns in the display to ensure that you are seeing the data that is of interest to you. Simply select the icon with the 3 horizontal lines at the top of any column. Then select the icon to the right from the pop-up and select the columns that you would like to be displayed. You can also drag and drop the columns by the title header to rearrange their display location. Another very helpful new feature is the ability to bulk resolve alerts. This means that you can select multiple alerts and resolve them as false positive, true positive, or not actionable. Simply select the alerts you want to resolve by placing a check mark in the box to the left of that alert title, or selecting all the displayed alerts by choosing the box at the very top of the column. Then click on the Actions button and select Resolve from the options listed. Select the appropriate resolution status and click OK. That's all that's required to resolve multiple alerts at once. And lastly, we've made it even easier to create suppression rules on alerts that are of no interest to you, thereby helping to reduce alert fatigue. Rather than creating a rule from scratch, we make it easy to create a suppression rule directly from an alert. Simply select the alert of interest. Select the icon in the upper left-hand corner from the pop-out window to go into full screen mode. From the Actions button in the upper right-hand corner, select Create Suppression Rule. You will see numerous criteria options on the left-hand side of the page. Simply drag and drop the criteria you choose into the rule creation box. Multiple criteria can be added to increase the specificity of the suppression rule. For example, if you drag and drop both the host name and the alert title into the box, it will create a rule that suppresses only that alert title on that individual host. This will allow you to easily create very narrowly focused rules to match your unique requirements. We hope that these new enhancements to alert handling on the Taegis portal are helpful to you and your team, and that they demonstrate the ongoing efforts Secureworks invests in helping you to achieve improved security outcomes. Thanks very much for your time, and have a great day.